Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials we are going to start our new journey, that is we are going to learn how to customize Shopify pitch theme. Shopify pitch theme is one of the Shopify popular free theme that you can easily add on your Shopify online store to design your Shopify new online store or customize or development or even run any e-commerce business website. So I have already published the review about this theme, and in this tutorials we are going to learn how we can add premium video slider or video section with autoplay, also with a lot of customization option in our Shopify online store that we design with pitch theme. So if you have started your online business with Shopify pitch theme and you wanted to learn customize design or development with this theme, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So right now you can see that I have started making new website with pitch theme, and here I have added a video. This is default video of Shopify pitch theme, you see, and here is all the option. So I'm going to select a video. Click on the select, then upload a video on here. We have to wait a little bit time to complete the uploading process of this video. Okay, the video has been uploaded. Now going to click on the done, and you can see that we have added the video. This is default featured. Also we can add autoplay, it's okay. Also we can control the size, which size on desktop and mobile. Also have the border option, and we have done. And here is the all the ready customization option. From my thinking, I think it's very limited for new Shopify user because they will not get others required option for their videos section to make it more professional, more eye-catching. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the save and go back our website or Shopify store. You see, here is the video, but now I'm going to show you the magic how you get premium quality video section on your Shopify pitch theme. To do this, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel. You can see that I have added the pitch theme, and click on this three dot icon, then click on the edit code. Also keep open the customize option. So here is the code edit section, then simply click on the section folder, then click on this new file icon. We are going to add a file name in here, FA video banner or video section dot liquid. Okay, and now simply add ready code snippet that you can easily get from my website. So don't forget to check out the link in the video description. Here I have added the ready code snippet link. Also you can get instant support or code snippet by connecting with me via WhatsApp. I have a free WhatsApp group where I provide free support all of the Shopify user, also my YouTube channel subscriber and viewers. So as you are my YouTube channel viewers or subscriber, then you can easily reach at me by WhatsApp to get instant support. So don't miss out the quick and fast support. Okay, here is the code, ready code snippet. Copy all the code and paste it on here. Paste. Click on the save. Asset save. Now go back the customize section and add new section and scroll down. You see there is a section name media FA video banner. Click on it Okay, we have added the video banner, and now going to add the video link. So how we will get the video link? To get it, go to the admin panel, then click on the content, then file. Very simple process. You can do it easily without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So click on copy link of this video file. Simply paste your file link in here. Paste. Yes, it will appear very soon. Click on the save. You see the autoplay has been started. So what is the main difference? You can see that our video has autoplay, has overlay option with condition. Also we can set the featured image. For example, search fashion model. We're going to search fashion model, and for now just select this one, or you can select this one. Select. Okay, this is one of the option, add video cover image. Then we can conditionally hide or show the content. For example, we wanted to remove the content, then we can easily remove this text. Just keep it blank, then the text will be removed. Also we can remove the body content, you see. Then we can control the section, so section box or hide. Enable background box, we can simply remove the enable background box, you see. Then we have full control of customize heading size on mobile desktop, also spacing, also the color, we can easily change the color. Then button link, also even another option, button link target. This is very relevant with Shopify SEO or website SEO optimization. Open same tab or new tab. We can add enable button icon, button text size, background color of button, text color, border radius, a lot of things. And finally you can see that enable scroll indicator. We can hide and show this scroll indicator, you see. Also the another very unique feature is that we can easily add video blur effect in here, you see. We have added the video blur effect. Wow. So I'm going to remove the video blur effect. Click on the save and remove this video. So I'm going to remove this one or hide this one. Okay, and click on the save. And finally go to our website, reload. Wow, you see it's working. Very simple and easy. Also we have option, go to the video banner, and we can set up the desktop height. For example, we make it 740 pixel or 50 pixel, and now reload. You see, we can easily control any part of this video banner, that autoplay, also others multiple customization option. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. And if you want to learn how to fully customize Shopify pitch theme, or you have started your Shopify store design with pitch theme, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will find unlimited customization video only for this specific theme customization. So thank you so much for your time again, and hope you will subscribe and share your opinion about this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.